Hey there, I got a joke for you. What's the best sea to swim in? Possibility.
Okay. Hi everybody, I'm Evelyn here and I'm also known as Coach Evie. I am 22 years old this year and I'm the co-founder of HANKidz Speaking School. So I'm also known as an edupreneur, meaning I work with children directly as an educator. At the same time, I work alongside with my partners to build a business in education. But I didn't always start out knowing all these things. 4 years ago, when I came into HANKidz as a coach at 19 years old, I came in not knowing anything at all. I had very little experience. I was very young, just out of college, and I didn't know anything about building a business. All I thought was building a business was for people who are smart and people who have lots of experience. But fast forward today, I'm very glad and grateful that I took that step because I held on to the sense of possibility that I, even though didn't have so much experience at the time, had the heart and the want to serve and help more children in this world. So if you're like me and you have that heart and you feel excited thinking about the thought of helping and growing more children, I'd like to invite you to come for an event organized by my team called Edupreneur-X, where we'll share with you what are the core tools and mindsets for you to adopt such that you too can become an entrepreneur. And I'll look forward to see you in that event together with my best friend Elmo so that you too can expand to reach your sea of possibilities. And we will see you there. Bye-bye! High five!